Popping out the bando.
No, though. Yeah, I don't think we want the whole thing to look the same. We want it to like. Dude, we want the whole thing to be different, you know? Okay. Like, dude.
Turn the lights on.
Oh yeah, baby!
Hey, are we ready?
Yeah, dude. So,
yeah, there's rules.
yeah, before we get the flicking, we need to like establish.
Dude, I've taken like 2 years of art.
No, it has to be, we're trying to go for like small, right?
Yeah, we don't want it to be busy at all. Like, this is way too much.
That's way too big.
Yeah,
You're going for like small,
Like, here.
starry night features. Let's see if the camera can get black light. This is a good.
We're going for this.
Oh, look at that,
This
dude.
consistency right here.
Do the pink, show us pink. Dude. Oh my god, our next fucking party is gonna rip.
Oh, orange is sick.
Dude. Okay, let's go.
To start, like, get your shit wet, and then like drain it a little bit, you know, just
on
so
the
you,
side?
yeah, just to make sure you don't like press it up to let some off, to make sure we don't get too much. All right, I'm gonna flip, okay?
Oh, that's so sick. Should we just
So way more than we want, though. Like, that's a lot.
Fuck your squad.
wait, hold on, bitch.
Dude, like that is perfect. Going across it diagonally, just a few shreds like that.
Bring it
I'm
back.
gonna wait.
I say only 21 to see a savage.
Wait, whoa, where are you guys going with that?
On the hallway.
Keep her going. That's it. Hi. So sorry we forgot to bring you along for the first part.
Time to cut.
Okay, so we're installing
It's wiring time, ladies and gentlemen.
the solar roof.
We'll show you everything after. Like, we'll explain later. Just
Dude,
watch.
this is really dark. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, go. You have the symmetricity line?
Yeah, there's a symmetricity. Oh my god. Sorry.
Shit, Trayton, you can't say that in here.
I'm not happy.
Dude, dig around in there a little bit.
Dude,
Put
trust
your back into it.
It's literally chipping out.
Put your back into. Yeah, get in there, dude. Nice.
Oh, now it's just gonna pop right out.
Oh no, my battery's dead. Sorry, bloggers.
Turn the bass up.
So after installing 2 strips of LED lights down the edges and cutting the rest of the mats off the sides, this is what we got.